Hey there, folks. Alright, just a quick unboxing. And no, it's not cigars or pipes or booze. This package comes via Colonel Cottonbelt, formerly known as the Train Freak, Jason. So Jason is curating sale of a state sale, basically, of a bunch of model railroad stuff, and I saw a couple things that I liked, so I said, hey, I'll take these, and shipped them out really quick. Very easy to deal with, and I'll leave a link in the description to his Facebook page. And if you don't have Facebook, I'll leave a description to his YouTube channel, and you can probably message him through YouTube here. So, as you may or may not know, big fan of Chicago and Northwestern. So what we got here is a couple cars to add to the collection. Oh no, looks like the coupler broke off. Oh, that's unfortunate. That's okay, I got replacement. Oh well, not a big deal. Oh, it just looks like it just stamps in there anyways. It's not broken or anything. It may be missing the little spring, but no big deal. Like I said, I got replacements. Looks like these, oh, the spring is in there. Okay, cool. No big deal. I think it just pops on there. Got to take the truck off and then put it back on, but no big deal. All right, yeah, so that fell off there, so it's I'm going to throw this quick repair in there. We'll go ahead and fix this up quick. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. Like I said, I paid $22 for both of these, and then $11 shipping. Big screw. I suppose I take it all the way out. Be easier to reseat that coupler. I wish I had one of those little electric screwdrivers that I see people use. May have to invest in one of those, eh? I should have bought one. I seen on the Prime deal. They had a whole bunch of them, different models and stuff, but yeah, so this guy just pops back on. Just set it in there the right way. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, go this way. Just set that in there. Take this guy here. Let's make sure we're doing this right. Yep. Okay, cool. There we go. There we go. Good as new. The wheels set back in there. This goes on here. Sits in there. And screw that back down. Cool. See? Not a big deal, like I said. And I believe this is a gondola. And yeah, these are just regular. These ain't Katy couplers. I think this one has, yeah, this one has metal wheels. This is just regular plastic wheels, but we can upgrade that. That's fine. But yeah. Oh, looks like there's some leathering on there. That's cool. All right, yeah, so there we go. Just a quick unboxing here. Just like I said, got a couple things that I saw that I liked, so I went ahead and picked them up. But All right, folks, that's it. So until next time, remember, be kind.